Nonverbal Communication by Kaylee Prieto. In this photograph, the man in the picture appears to be laughing at something that he just witnessed. The smile on his face shows that he is genuinely laughing and might be having a good time. While his hands are going through his hair and lifting his hat, it appears that the man might be sweaty or tired of working under the sun. The object off his hip could possibly be a shovel that the man has to work with. The men in the background appear to also be busy working on the ground, which adds to my suspicion of the object being a shovel. To me, the man appears to be having a good laugh on a long day of work. His casual laugh and relaxed posture tells me that he is most likely working with people he talks and sees regularly. This picture also shows another man having a laugh while at work. The man's uniform makes me wonder if he might be part of his government's army or has a job relating to mining, due to the wagon that he is leaning on. The man appears to be casually posing by his work area and does not appear to be in any harm or fatigued at all. This might be another regular day working and nothing interesting has happened. I would believe that his friends on the job have made a funny joke and is making this man snicker. He could also be working somewhere that is very dirty due to how covered up his body is, from the long jeans and shirt to the gloves covering his hand, from whatever dirty work is awaiting him. Here I see a pretty woman posing for a picture. The sheets in the back seem to have been put there on purpose as a backdrop for this picture. The woman appears well dressed and well groomed. Although with the little stray hairs on her forehead, I would believe that this picture was taken after she could have done some chores around the house. Her pretty attire means she probably lives well and is mostly indoors. Her pose also looks staged and ready for the camera to snap her picture. Based off the child's snickering face, I would think that someone might have made a joke that she did not appreciate. The child's eyes seem to be looking at someone in a very judgmental way. The child also has her nose scrunched up, which tells me that she is not amused by whatever she has just witnessed or heard. The face of the woman with her hand on the child's shoulder appears to share the same feeling as the child. The woman's face is looking straight ahead with no emotion on her face. She appears to be disinterested by whatever is in front of them. Apart from looking at the child's face and the woman behind her, I also noticed that the child has her arms crossed, which only adds to the distaste feeling that she is expressing off of her face.